Thanks, everybody. My name is Dwayne McLeod, and I'm a manager of major projects with the Nova Scotia Community College. I'm really pleased to be here to discuss the college's capabilities in the aerospace and defense sector, including land, air, sea, and security. A little bit about Nscc before I get into the nitty-gritty. We're Nova Scotia's only publicly funded college, so that plays really well for us when it comes to things like ITB transactions and working with defense contractors. So it's really an area that we're really keen to advance in. Nscc has 14 campuses across the province. It's often said that you can't be anywhere in the province and be any more than an hour away from one of our buildings. We have 140 full-time programs in 5 academic schools, and we engage with industry in a number of ways. We have community innovation leads who are campus-based, and many of them are members of Springboard. And they also have, along with regional responsibilities, they've got sectoral responsibilities as well. We have a newly hired industry liaison officer here, Joanne Firth, just with the college maybe, 2 months now? So Joanne will be really taking over a lot of that engagement with applied research. So we're really pleased to have her on board. And then myself, manager of major projects, working primarily with the aerospace and defense sector. So my role really, and so does the role of the CILs, engage in 3 key areas for the aerospace and defense sector. That is skill development and training, applied research, and student engagement. So that's kind of the focus of my brief presentation here. And I'm cautiously looking at that clock. I was hoping to borrow some time from some of the other presenters. But just to highlight some of the areas in skill development and applied research and student engagement that is relevant to the sector. We do a lot of leadership training, specific to manufacturing and very applicable to the A&D sector. We've got various forms of leadership training. We've got a Marine Essentials program that's brand new. I'm going to talk about that on the next slide. We're really excited about that initiative. A 2-year cybersecurity program that is very popular. And then, of course, there's our aviation programming that we have over in Dartmouth. 3 streams of that programming, avionics, mechanical, and structures. And we're working really hard to unbundle some of that programming so that it's available to the industry as a form of professional development. On the applied research side of things, we have kind of 4 main areas that would be applicable to A&D. That would be our energy lab with Dr. Wayne Grosgo, engineered technologies, where we've got 3D metal printing capabilities, a cobot, where we can do lots of prototype work for companies who are interested in that, really super affordable. And again, anytime we do anything with our applied research groups, we're looking for the experience and we're looking for the student engagement, the engagement piece. We're not really interested in obtaining your IP. So that's one of the benefits of working with a college is on the applied research side, the IP remains with the company or the partner. With student engagement, of course, we've got work-integrated learning opportunities. Over 90% of our programming involves work terms, co-ops, and then, of course, we just want companies to hire our students. I'm conscious of the clock. Got a lot of text here to cover. These are the courses in the Marine Essentials Curriculum Development Program that we're doing with Irving Shipbuilding. It's a value proposition funded activity where we are going to develop and deliver 9 programs, 9 courses, very specific to the aerospace and defense sector. Some unique courses up there, such as defense trade compliance, integrated logistical support. So that program is about 1/3 of the way through on the development side. I'm going to close out by saying that the college is very eager to engage in partnerships with other post-secondaries, SMEs, as well as larger companies in the sector. So I'm happy to talk with anybody later about our capabilities.